Hi coaches, and welcome to CourtTag. Today I'm going to show you how to import a sample database into CourtTag if you want to take a look at one. So this sample database has all the events tagged that's in the sample video, as well as a sample game sheet that's on the website. So let me launch CourtTag and show you how it's done. So I'll get CourtTag running here in a quick second. There you go. So this is a blank CourtTag database, nothing in it. No players, no games, nothing in there at all. So what we're going to do is do a restore database, but first let's go get it. So if you go under help, go to CourtTag.net shared folder. You'll open up the share and you'll see the current version, samples, support applications, a few other things. So if you go to samples, you'll see there'll be the game sample here, the game sheet sample here. I've already downloaded these, but this one here, the database there, that one there, that one is the database that you need to copy onto your computer. So you go to download. I'll ask you where you want to put it. I'll just put it in your default CourtTag folder. It should be done. Alrighty, let's take a look. There it is. So when I go to CourtTag now, I'll go to File, Restore Database, and I'll find that CourtTag. There she is, open. And it'll overwrite everything in here. Okay, so one quick thing that you do afterwards is just close CourtTag real quick and then reopen it. And there you go, here's a sample database. So in this database, I have one game in progress, which is the same game as other samples I've shown. Shows the players and the stats for that game to date, and then the teams, so Horton, Gruber. So if I go to the game sheet here, the little icon there, it's probably going to there you go. Now if yours doesn't work, and that's possible because you might not have it linked up. So this database is based on my computer's drive and location, so your stuff might be in a slightly different spot. So the way you fix that, let's do this. You go here, edit game, and you go add change game sheet, and you'll find that under your CourtTag. Smart CourtTag game sheet. There you go. I usually do grayscale, boost, trim, apply, and there you go. When you hit save, that game sheet should be working for you. Okay. Same thing with the game videos. When you go video tagging here, if you have a little X marked here in the corner, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase the one I have and relocate it, and it should change that. So I'll fix that in a second. Just 1 second, I'll pause you. All right, so what I did is I'm going to show you how CourtTag deals with files which are missing. So let's go back here and go back to the game video here. So this one here, I'm going to download this, and I'm going to put it into a different folder here, clips, game video, boom. Okay. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back to my main CourtTag app. Now when I open it up here, this is what you might see on your screen. So video tagging, see this? This is the video file name that I have on my system for that sample. Now it's probably going to be missing for you because when you download it to your CourtTag directory, it might be different, slightly different than my CourtTag directory. It's just how Windows paths kind of work. So I built into the system a little find button. So if you download your thing, wherever you download it, go to click on find. And I can go here. There's that one I just downloaded. Open. There you go. And it'll check it off. So if you ever move your file, your reference file for the video, or if it's not the one that's lined up, or somebody sends you one, and it doesn't match with the data, that's how you can restore it. Okay, just reselect it basically. Now if I go to that, I click on tag video events. There's that video, and there's the event. So I should be able to go to any particular event. So let's go to Miles. There, that particular thing. That's a 2-point made. Hit play. There you go. So there's that shot. View the scores, and for this tagged event. So in this particular video, this sample, it's not a full-length game. It's just a 10-minute video. But on this sample that has 87 events tagged, you can take a look at it and see how I tag games, at least how I done it. So you'll see the turnovers, personal fouls, free throw attempts. So it might give you a good sense of how I tag my events. Now, because this game isn't done, the stats won't be accurate, but I can still do a quick game report and get me, we're up to the first 10 minutes here, and you can kind of see, okay, there's the points. There's on the bottom here, at the very bottom, at the moment the game is 6-9. Who's shooting what percentage, fouls, rebounds, all that stuff. So you can do even in progress games. You can do stats, the game report anytime you want. Same thing with the game sheet. You can open that up. Here's your game sheet. So there you go. Quick demonstration how to load or restore a database from the sample. And then when you're done, if you want to reset it again, you can just literally erase the game, and it'll erase everything for you. Just hit delete game, or you can do, and the players would stay and the team would stay, but all their events would be gone. Okay. Alrighty. Have a good day. Take care.